Coachman VIP 575 2019. And Grandma is finding issues with it, aren't you? Bearing in mind this is the top of the range. Your feet don't touch the floor, and there is no ends. So if there's any caravan manufacturers watching, please extend your piece of wood up and then put a nice bolster there. Please. Just means we can have a new caravan.
Because if you have one too many,
it means we can have a new caravan.
Oh, I've got an end on my caravan. Because, I mean, it's safety, really.
It is, yeah.
Because if you have one too many, you could fall over.
Yes, definitely.
So it's
like the Vision, we've got the nice ceramic surrounds on the microwave. Smaller fridge, which is a bit small, really, for a caravan of this size. But you know what? It's a bit of a compromise. We've got electric hot plate, massive cupboards, huge drawers, which aren't soft close. That's a bit of a shame. Omni vent over the top. £27,000, guys. We've got this fake blind. Don't even really know what this is for. It's just sort of stuck on with Velcro. I would probably take that off if it was me. Don't really see the point in it. Concertina blinds. 3 cupboards over the top. Nice thing. This is Ozio mattress. I'm not really sure. Got two wardrobes each side. Vanity unit over there in the corner. This really is where it's best. We've got the Dometic toilet, which is by far the best. Better than Thetford, by the way. And we've got this really amazing tap. You know, it's all separate with this really big wash basin. So, and look at this. Where's the cupboard, you all ask? Here it is. You wouldn't know that, would you? You wouldn't know that there was a cupboard in there. Then we've got this massive shower, but this door is a bit. It could fold, and yeah, it's quite big for a 4-berth. Can't get out. There we go. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed this video of the 2019 Coachman VIP 575.